Meron ka ng kalyo, hindi ka na sensitive, you allow time, may patience ka na. I think, no, karamihan sa atin, ang hinahanap ay masaya. Kung hindi masaya, boring na, susuko na, stop na, di na to passion ko, and I won't invalidate their feelings. Pero I think, in your quest na mag-build ng something na importante sa buhay mo, katulad ng negosyo mo, or itong movement na ginagawa mo, you have to be comfortable with the uncomfortable. That is a superpower that people who makes big things, lasting things can do. Because it's not about masayang first 6 months ng bagong business idea mo. It's about the third year kapag mahirap na siya. Kapag iba na ang market, iba na ang laro. It's about enjoying and embracing the uncomfortable and learning that only way for you to go to the next level is if you do not quit on the discomfort. The one who could live with the discomfort wins. Sa akin, I totally believe na once you have a great relationship with discomfort and you know how to move on and to move forward, your life is going to be easier because meron ka ng kalyo, hindi ka na sensitive, you allow time, may patience ka na. So the winners, hindi yan sila sa nagmamadali. The winners are for those who's willing to be patient.